Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Taiwo Awolese, and today I'll be sharing with you how to fill the IRCC form, the Immigration, Refugee, Citizenship Canada form, the Form IMM 5257 and the likes on the Mac system. Navigating, filling it on the Mac system. I understand that the default PDF application on the Mac system cannot fill the IRCC form, so you need to use the Adobe Acrobat. However, if you do not understand how to navigate it, it can be frustrating. In fact, I've been there. I've walked the path that I had to resort to using my Windows laptop. But at some point, I felt my Windows laptop was too slow because it had too much on it. So I needed to use my Mac laptop that was as swift as. And you know what? I was really frustrated as to using the Adobe Acrobat reader to fill the IRCC form on the Mac system. I was frustrated. I couldn't navigate it. I checked YouTube. All the videos I saw, none explained how to use the Mac system to fill out the IRCC form. So I thought to myself, since I found a solution, why not bring it to my audience? And that is why I have come up with this. It's so easy, like easy peasy lemon squeezy. So today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate filling the IRCC form on your Mac system, so you don't have to be frustrated or look forward to borrowing your friend's laptop. So come with me as I share with you how to navigate filling the IRCC form on your Mac laptop. So if you already have the Acrobat reader on your Mac system, you just need to search it up to fill the form. To fill the IRCC form using the Adobe Acrobat, you just go on your Mac system and press the Command key with space at the same time to bring up the Spotlight search. So when it brings it up, you search for Adobe Acrobat. So once you type that in, you click Enter. This is if you already have the Adobe Acrobat application on your system already. However, if it doesn't come up on your system, probably you haven't installed the Adobe Acrobat yet. All you need to do is to install it on your system. So to install it, we go to browser and search for Adobe Acrobat Reader. And it brings up different versions. Of course, ensure to download the free version. So you scroll up and look for the download Adobe Acrobat Reader free PDF viewer. So you click on that and it shows you this page where it says download Acrobat Reader. You click on it. So it's downloaded. So you go to your Finder on your Mac system. That's like the File Explorer in Windows system. So that's the Finder in Mac where you search for the downloaded file. So I go to Finder and I search through Adobe. So it's right here. You click on it and you double click it to install it. So it says Adobe Acrobat. Welcome to the Adobe Acrobat. You will be guided through the steps necessary to install this software. So you continue. You click on continue. It says installer would like to access files in your download folder. You allow. And it says install for all users of this computer. Of course, you continue. It says this will take 2.36 gigabytes of space on your computer. Click install to perform a standard installation of this software for all users of this computer. All users of this computer will be able to use this software. So you continue. Of course, you can choose to change the location where it will be installed, but I'll just continue to install. So it's asking for your Mac administrator password, which you would enter and install the software. So it's running, writing files, everything is running right now. So as soon as the installation is completed, you just search up your Adobe Acrobat to fill out the IRCC form. So this might take a little while. I don't know how long it's going to take, but as soon as it's installed, you can just continue. Ta-da! Woo! Our installation is completed. It says the installation was successful. beautiful, the software was installed. So we go into the Spotlight search and bring up the Adobe Acrobat Reader. Now it's installed. So search it up. To search the Adobe Acrobat Reader on your system, you just press Command space. At the same time, it brings up the Spotlight search and you search Adobe Acrobat. So as soon as it comes up, you click on it and it welcomes you. You continue. Here we are. So you look up the top left corner of your screen where you find the Apple logo. You say Acrobat, File, Edit, View, Window, Help. So you just click on the file and it brings up the drop down. So on the drop down, you find Open. The first item on the file drop down, you just click on Open. So it opens up to your Finder, which is called the File Explorer on Windows system, but this is a Mac system. So it opens up your Finder and you click on wherever your file, your IRCC form is saved. Of course, mine is on the download. Then you scroll through and search for where it is, and ta-da! This is my form. I just click on it to open, and we start filling up the file. Allow. So here it is. In fact, it's already highlighted. Just, when you validate, this is what it will come up with. So it tells you all the parts where you will fill in this form, and we get to start filling the form ASAP, right? So we are done using the Adobe Acrobat Reader on the Mac system to fill out the IRCC form. Just like that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Guys, honestly, there is nothing as thrilling as this, to actually know how to use your Mac system. I mean, the different applications and how to fill the form, the IRCC form. I'm so happy to be bringing this kind of information to your fingertips, so you don't have to be worried using your Mac system to fill out the IRCC form. With your Mac laptop, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. So you don't have to start looking for a friend that has a Windows laptop to fill your IRCC form. It is that easy. I understand how frustrating it can be when you don't know how to navigate it on the Mac laptop. I have a lot of friends that are not able to do it on their Mac laptop, so they just look for friends that could help them fill it or borrow their system and use. From now on, you don't have to borrow anybody's system. Just do it yourself. Do it on your system. And I'm so glad to be sharing this kind of information with you, because it's easy to share such information if you have walked the path. I've walked that path and I knew how frustrating it was. And of course, if you find this content valuable and useful, all I am asking of you now is for you to subscribe to my channel, click the like button, comment, and of course, remember to share with your friends. So this will help the algorithm to reach wider audience, and of course, it will also help me to grow. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and I look forward to bringing you more valuable content in no time. My name remains Taiwo Awolesi, and I'll see you on the other side.
Cabinet, wanna stay home, not even drink.